Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Discover, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with budgeting using Discover, visit the Discover website or open the mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the budgeting section of the dashboard. You may find it labeled as Budget or Budgeting Tools. Click on the Budgeting tool to open the budgeting interface. You'll see options to set up your budget. Begin by defining your income sources. Enter your monthly income amounts in the designated fields. Next, you'll want to categorize your expenses. Identify and list your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Then, add your variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. As you enter your expenses, Discover may offer suggestions based on your spending history. Take note of these suggestions to help create a comprehensive budget. Once you've entered all your expenses, review the total amounts. Compare your total income against your total expenses. Discover will provide insights into your spending habits. Look for areas where you might be overspending. Adjust your budget categories if necessary to balance your finances. After finalizing your budget, save your changes. Consider setting up alerts or reminders for upcoming bills and spending limits. Regularly review your budget to make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Utilize the Reports feature to track your progress over time. Explore additional resources on the Discover site for budgeting tips and strategies. With consistent monitoring, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.